Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a cloud pour today, I think. And I say I think because I'm using a cloud mix that I mixed up back in January, nearly 8 months ago. I last used it in May, 3 months ago, and it worked. So we'll see, but I'm finally going to use it up today. So we'll see how that works. But first I want to quickly show you, I varnished this flip cup pour I did. And I just want to show you the shine on this thing. I can't believe it. My friend Kathy told me about Liquitex High Gloss Varnish. I've used the gloss varnish before. That's generally what I use. But I never noticed that they had a high gloss one. I'm not really into big shiny finishes, but occasionally I like it. And I like it on one with silicone cells. So anyway, there we go. Just 3 coats did that, and I think it's pretty fun. Okay, now today I'm only using 2 colors plus the cloud mix. Black and blue green, I think it was. Let's see. Phthalo green blue. And the cloud mix. So those are pretty dark. I'm hoping the cloud mix will work, but I think it could be quite dramatic. I'm going to pour the cloud mix from high up as I add it to the cup. So I'm going to layer several layers of black and phthalo green blue. Now the cloud mix. I pour it from about a foot above the cup. Come on. All right. Maybe I'll pour the black. Maybe I'll do that too. Instead of layering, I'll pour it all from up high. Why not? Come on. I don't have much of the cloud mix left, actually. I'm happy to be using it up. I think this is about the end of it. I'll put the recipe down below in the description box, as always. The colors are just mixed with Floetrol, 2-to-1, and a little bit of water. The cloud mix is about, I think there's maybe 5 ingredients in it. A little more complicated, but I give exact measurements, so there's no guesswork. I could probably get more out of there, but I don't want to keep you that long. Oop, that looked like a clump of something. And here we go, last bit. Okay, interesting cup. And here we go. Pretty much just a straight pour with a twist of the wrist. I think this is my favorite part of pouring. Pouring it out of the cup, it's always so mesmerizing. Okay. That's about all I'm going to get out of there. Okay, I'm going to pause for about 10 minutes. Let this percolate. I may put down a flow extender. I'll think about that, and I shall return. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes because I did take time to apply the flow extender around, and that's simply paint from a previous pour that I had scraped up from the surface, mixed it all together, and stored it for this purpose. So the cloud mix is still working, but I'm not terribly enthused about the overall appearance, so I think I'm going to use some Australian Floetrol and just do a curvy swipe through it before I tilt and see what happens. So I've got this big old spatula and I'm putting a decent amount of cell activator on there. That's 3 parts Italian, Australian Floetrol. I'm hoping to have Italian food tonight. That's on my mind. And 1 part Amsterdam paint. Pour the excess back into this little container. You know, this stuff is like gold. Okay. And I want to try to maintain that dark area and the center. So here we go. Wish me luck. All right. Got some white left on there. Okay. Let's tilt it around. That flow extender almost works, but it's not the most beautiful green. So I don't think I can leave any of it as negative space, but we'll see. Maybe. I love negative space. I do. So let's run that shape up there off. I think I'm liking it. I wish this color was a little different, but I do like the negative space. I like this little form down here. I just need to cover this corner a little better and stretch out these cells. It's kind of a fun swoop up there. Yeah, I think I'll leave that. flow extender. I always, when I use it, I try to use a color that might work with the rest of the piece in case I want to leave some of it showing, as in this case. I don't know. It's okay, I think. I can fix, I don't want to tilt to cover this little teeny bit there. I can just use the palette knife and fix that, but I think I'm okay with it. Let me bring you in. Those are some big chunky boulders there. And look at that pretty lacing though. Yeah. Not what I planned, but I'm not unhappy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, my friends, thank you for watching.